after you've completed the value scale, now you're going to create the sphere just like you did with rendering modeling and line proximity. Again, you're using this color scheme in this sphere, and I'm using my handout here as a reference to identify where my highlights are, my reflected lights, my core shadows, as well as the cast shadow. Okay, does that make sense? I think that's pretty easy. Now, I'm going to slide this up so I could make sure to see my reference image along with the area that I'm drawing on. Okay, so once again, just like I did with line proximity, I'm going to start by adding some basic values or some color into the entire sphere. Okay, crossing my lines, lightening and separating my lines as I get to the highlight area. You'll notice that I'm a little bit less methodical in terms of my lines being together, but I'm covering up this area as much as I can. Then I'm going to come into my main dark value, which is going to be the core of the shadow, using my violet. Again, this one's very similar in terms of the line proximity and how I start this. And then I'm going to come in here a little bit darker, going across, sticking to the contour of the object, just like I did with line proximity. Then I could come in here with some more of the red. Building it up. I think I'm at a good point right there where I can start to introduce some of the white. Yes, the lines do not have to go all the way through the object. Okay, so now I could come in here. And that's, again, you're creating a texture using this technique. Because not everything is really smooth, right? There are various different kinds of textures depending on the material. Now I'm going to come back in here with some violet. Now to make sure I get a little bit darker, I'm going to introduce a little bit of the orange. Not necessarily too much, making sure I don't overblend. More there. Jump over to my red. It's getting there. Not quite there yet, but you get the idea, right? Building it up. Okay, so I'm going to stop there, and I'm going to finish it up similar to what I did last time with the line proximity, but you get the idea, so you can keep moving. It's going to require some more layers, and I'm going to require some more marks to really get that going the way that I want it to. Okay? Good luck.